are gonna fill the air conditioner with the R134A. So you stick this nozzle into the precious bottle. In case you're following me, you should follow. So you screw it this way. Don't screw it the other way, kids. Oh, sorry. I was just defeating the bad monster. But anyways, always do this with a parent. It might be dangerous. So I am safe. Next, you open the hood of the car. You stick this blue thing right over black thing over here. Blue thing over here, see? It matches. So don't forget a parent doing this. You put on the car and blast the AC all the way. Which way? Like this one. Look at the gauge. Make sure it's full. Make sure it's on the L when you stick it in. And I have one more thing to tell you. Everyone say what? So, I didn't tell you what again, but not but. So you can do this on anything. If you like what you see, comment below. And also, you should subscribe to the channel.